in a move that seems to reinforce his family's influence within the political landscape. Major Mnangagwa, the son of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, made a significant contribution to the construction of the Chiwenga Clinic in Mashingo North constituency. His donation of 100 bags of cement has raised eyebrows with political insiders, suggesting it may also be a strategic maneuver to assert his father's authority amid rising political tensions within the ruling party. Sanabina mashoko on this donation vanhu vavachiti aiwa yava a way yekusideline aiwa general nema allies avo kuti wasubscribe like what on the bell icon. Speaking at the weekend, Mashingo North Constituency Member of Parliament Brian Mudomi expressed gratitude for the donation, which is expected to significantly aid in the completion of the clinic, a vital project for the community. In quotes, "We are truly grateful for Major Mnangagwa's generous contribution of 100 bags of cement towards the construction of the Moje clinic," Mudomi said. A source within the ruling party hinted that Major Mnangagwa's charitable act could be part of a broader strategy to strengthen his father's position amid growing political tension. In course, it's a calculated move meant to portray President Mnangagwa as a man of the people. The whole thing is meant to ease the heightening tension, the source explained, suggesting that the donation was not just an act of goodwill, but also a response to internal party rivalries. With the ZANU-PF facing ongoing factional infighting, particularly between allies of Idi Mnangagwa and Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, the donation could be seen as a subtle way for Mnangagwa family to assert its dominance, sidelining Chiwenga's supporters in the process. This donation was not just an act of goodwill, but it was a way maneuver, way yakuya vachita kunonzi kungadzi vote buying kana kuda kusidelina generally kuti aonekwe ezifa pana zvari kuita, but in a way kuti varatidze vanhu kuti they are generous, vanhu vakazovasapota. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi, muna comment section medu, subscribe like, turn on the bell icon.